Sebago drains through the Presumpscot River into Casco Bay, where scientists are also monitoring PFAS chemicals. Earlier this year, conservation group Friends of Casco Bay revealed low levels of PFAS in dozens of samples taken from 18 different states.
In a few weeks, researchers will begin sampling water and soil at key sites, including rivers feeding into the bay, to find out where the contamination is coming from. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has a follow-up from East Booth Bay.
Amanda Pinson, a research technician at Bigelow Laboratory for Ocean Sciences, collects salt water to be analyzed for PFAS chemicals. Up the hill inside the lab, the samples pass through a solid phase extraction system, or SPE, which isolates the chemicals even the tiniest amount.
It cleans up the sample so we only get the PFAS, and it concentrates it up so we are able to measure this really low concentration.
Researchers have teamed up with Friends of Casco Bay to gather data on PFAS levels in the bay, a watershed covering nearly 1,000 square miles. Over the past year, scientists analyzed 100 samples from 18 different sites.
Low concentrations, but it's detectable.
Since the 1980s, higher concentrations of PFAS have been found near the former Brunswick Naval Air Station, an EPA Superfund site. However, the levels decreased quickly further offshore. The next phase of the 3-year study will focus on finding the source of the contamination. Sampling will include water and soil taken from rivers feeding into Casco Bay.
All these rivers that drain through all Maine's farmland where biosolid has been applied are potentially also a contributor to PFAS there.
Scientists believe having a comprehensive set of data will help regulators better respond to potential contamination issues in the future linked to a chemical present off the coast of Maine and throughout the world.
We had sample analyzed all the way from Portland up to Machias, and we see PFAS in all these samples.
Researchers and scientists from Bigelow Laboratory and Friends of Casco Bay plan to head out on the water at the end of May and start sampling. The hope is to get all the data collected by the end of the year and present all of the findings to the public sometime in 2025. In East Booth Bay, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.